Hi everyone, I am Preeti from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering Cyber Security. Today I am going to discuss about sanitary landfill, landfill gas emission and leachate formation for waste disposal. In this topic, I want to discuss about introduction of sanitary landfilling, meaning of sanitary landfill, principles about sanitary landfill, schematic layout of sanitary landfill, and gas emission of introduction and leachate formation for waste disposal conclusion, etc. I will discuss about in this session. Introduction to solitary landfiller. Sanitary landfills are common waste disposal method. Emission from landfill can have adverse effect on the environment and human health. The sanitary landfill is a method of disposing waste on land without disturbing the environment and public health by efficiently utilizing engineering skill to confine them in the smallest particle area possible before reducing the volume by converging with a layer of earth to ensure the least exposure to the air. Meaning of sanitary landfill. A sanitary landfill is a designated area for waste disposal. It is engineered to minimize environmental impacts. Waste is compacted and covered with soil to reduce emissions and control leachate formation. An engineering method of disposing of solid waste on land in a manner that protects the environment by spreading the waste in the layers, compacting it to the smallest particle volume, and covering it with compacted soil by the end of each working day or at a more frequent interval if necessary. Sanitary landfills are sites where waste is isolated from the environment until it is safe. It is considered when it is completely degraded biologically, chemically, and physically, full or partial hydrological isolation, formal engineering preparations, permanent control, planned waste emplacement, and covering. Basic principles of secure landfill of stabilized waste. Similarly to sanitary landfill, engineered lane top cover, cellular designer or layout. Example of secure landfill for stabilized hazardous waste include example Thailand. The Thailand capacity is 1 lakh and China capacity is 23,000. This is the schematic representation of sanitary landfill. Types of landfill are landfill emits several gases, including methane, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is produced during the decomposition of organic waste. Volatile organic compounds can contribute to air pollution and have negative health effects. Gas emission means greenhouse gas emission from human activities strengthen the greenhouse effect, contributing to climate change most in carbon dioxide from burning fossil fuel, coal, oil and natural gas. The largest emitters include coal in China and large oil and gas companies. Methane contributes to climate change by trapping heat in the atmosphere. Volatile organic compound can lead to the formation of ground level ozone, which harm human health and ecosystem. Landfill gas emission can also cause odorous and air pollution in the surrounding areas. These are gas emissions in other states. Managed. The liquid formed when rainwater filters through wastewater placed in a landfill. Any contaminated liquids that is generated from water percolating through a solid waste disposal site, accumulating contaminants and moving into subsurface areas. It contains dissolved and substandard organic and inorganic contaminants. Leachate can migrate through soil and contaminate groundwater if not properly managed. Leachate is produced when water filters downward through a landfill, picking up dissolved material from decomposing wastes. These are the pictures how leachate is prepared. Revised leachate pollution or waste composition, moisture content, and pH affect leachate formation. Climate conditions such as rainfall and temperature impact leachate generation rates. Landfill design features and such as liners and leachate collection system influence leachate management. Pollution of water sources by produced landfill leachate. Leachate can contaminate groundwater, which serves as a vital source of drinking water. It can also pollute surface water bodies, causing harm on aquatic ecosystem. Leachate contains hazardous substances that poses risk of to humans and environmental health. Waste disposal means waste management or waste disposal includes the process and actions required to manage waste from its inception and to its final disposal. This includes the collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste. Together, monitoring and regulation of the water management process and waste regulates laws, technologically economical mechanics. Methods of solid waste disposal and management. We want to separate the papers and glass and dry and wet waste separately. The workers will collect the waste in all areas and they will throw the waste in away from the cities. Say no to usage of plastic. Don't use the plastic for silly things. Use cotton bags except plastics. Conclusion about sanitary landfill and leachate formation or sanitary landfill leachate contains a very complex mixture of different compounds to reduce the organic compounds ammonia and its specific cases other parameters. It is often necessary to combine different treatment steps. Thank you for watching my video. Please like